is Esther Barnum with Splish Splash Poolscapes, and today here we have one of our favorite clients, Crystal Gunnan.
Hi.
How are you doing, Crystal?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing awesome. I mean, your pool just turned out gorgeous, modern, and amazing. You were the best client ever, too, to work with.
Thank you.
So I wanted to ask you a couple questions. First question is, what made you go with Splish Splash Poolscapes as your pool builder?
That's a good question. It literally came down to how prompt you were and how you stayed in contact with me, and then what you presented to me as far as the design. It was incredible. It was like beyond what I was even, could even visualize. And you, I knew you a little bit, but woman owner, all those things, I was just like, I felt good trust in you. I felt very comfortable with you, and I was just like, yeah, this is the one. So you and Greg just are extremely kind and generous, and just I don't know, just you were very giving throughout this whole thing, and we hardly had any issues, but anything that did come up, I mean, y'all were just on the ball with taking care of it, and and then just what you created, it's just blown me away. It's beautiful. Definitely the Spa 360 is gorgeous. The way that it overflows it does, it just it kind of just brings everything in, and captures the whole area. But there's so many things about it. I love the turf. I love the fire pit down there, the little bar that they totally came up with. That was not something that I had said, and then they came up with it, and I was like, yes, I love that. So, but yeah, that would probably be the best feature. Super, the quality is outstanding, but how fast you did this is just incredible. And that everybody here has just been blown away. We're they're done.
Yeah, so for the time we dug until landscaping was done was about 5 weeks.
Yeah.
So
incredible.
So I'm so happy
So
we blew your mind.
So fast.
It went by fast.
But good. Sometimes people can do fast work, but it's not good quality work, and you 100% did good quality work. Amazing.
And we are definitely, we have an amazing design team. We're powered by Dover Living. And we just have amazing crews. And we're just so happy that you chose us.
Yes, I'm very happy too.
And so let's say together, remember to trust the duck!